Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube class on C programming. We will continue our discussion on the ELSEF ladder. This is the next question. A library charges a fine for every book returned late. Now the fine will depend on the number of days the book is returned late. Now for the first 5 days, the fine is 50 paisa per day. From 6th to 10th day, the fine is 1 rupee per day. From 11th to 30th day, the fine is 5 rupees per day. And if you return the book after 30 days, your membership will be cancelled. Right, that is what we need to display the message. Now what we need to do, we need to write a C program. What is the input for the C program? It is the number of days the member is late to return the book. Here we consider only one book and we need to display the appropriate fine or the message. Now let us see some example. If the number of days is 3, the fine is 1 rupee 50 paisa. How it is 1 rupee 50 paisa? Because this days is less than or equal to 5. Right, and what is being said, for first 5 days the fine is 50 paisa per day. That means the number of days is 3 and you multiply it by 0.5, you get the answer as 1 rupee 50 paisa. Now let's say the number of days the member is returned to late the book is 7. Now how we get 4 rupee 50 paisa? Now please observe here, for first 5 days the fine is 50 paisa per day. That means for first day, second day, third day, fourth day and fifth day, what the member will pay here? 50 paisa, 50 paisa, 50 paisa, 50 paisa and 50 paisa. Now from 6th to 10th day, right, that means here I can write the 6th day and 7th day. From 6th to 10th day, right, what will be the member will pay? 1 rupee per day. Therefore I write here 1 and 1. Are you getting it? Now it is 2 plus 2.5 is 4.5. Now for first 13 days, that means for first 5 days you will pay 2 rupee 50 paisa. You will pay 2 rupee 50 paisa plus from 6th to 10th day you will pay 1 rupee per day. That means it is 5 rupees. 5 rupees plus. Now you have paid for 10 days. What is the remaining days? 3 days. That means from 11th to 30th day the fine is 5 rupees per day. That means 5 into 3 is 15. 5 into 3 is 15 and if you do, it is 22.5 rupees. And if the number of days is greater than 30, what we need to display? We need to display the membership is cancelled. There is no point in displaying any fine message because that's not given in question. Now this is the question and this is how we need to solve it. Now why we need to display the ELSEF ladder over here? Now see here, either days will be less than or equal to 5, or it will be between 6 to 10, or it will be 11 to 30, or it will be greater than 30. Are you getting it? Therefore, either we need to select one, but it is not selecting all. We need to either we will come in this bracket or in this or in this or in the last bracket. That means out of this 4 bracket, the member will be returned to late book fall under only one category. Therefore, ELSEF ladder is suited over here. Now what is the input? Input is days and what is the output? The fine is the output for this particular question. I hope you have understood this question. Please pause the video and you might make a note of this question. And this question is also taken from Let Us See book and I am going to write the program for the same. But I want you to write the program before you watch the complete video. That will make a strong foundation for you and that will give you a confidence as well that you have written the correct program, or if you have made any mistakes, you may watch the complete video. Thank you. Please pause the video and try to write the program. Let us see the program. We say int days, that is the input, fine is the output. We say enter number of days member is late to return the book and we read it in days. Now we know what is the first condition. If the number of days is less than or equal to 5, if the number of days is less than or equal to 5, what is fine? 50 paisa per day. Therefore, we say here fine is equal to 0.5 into number of days. 0.5 into number of days, and we need to display the fine. Hence, I write here printf percentage f comma fine. You can say double as well. Okay. Now, let us see how does it work. Enter the number of days member is late to return the book. Let us say 3. 3 less than or equal to 5. Yes. 0.5 into 3 is 1.5 and it will display fine as 1.5. Let's see the next. Enter the number of days member is late to return the book. Let us say 7. 7 less than or equal to 5 is false. Now 7 falls under the category between 6 to 10. Therefore, we write here else if the number of days is greater than or equal to 6 and the number of days is less than or equal to 10. Now my question is, do I need to check this condition? No. Why? The else if ladder will execute the second condition only if the first condition is false. And when will be the first condition is false? When the number of days are greater than 5. Now when I say greater than 5, it means it is 6 because it's a whole number. Now let's say 6 less than or equal to 5 is false. 6 greater than or equal to 6 is true. That means this condition is being implicitly checked over here. Hence, I need not check this condition. Now, if I don't check this condition, it will still work. Let's say 7. 7 less than or equal to 5 is false. Since first condition is false, come to the second condition. 7 less than or equal to 10. Yes, 7 is less than or equal to 10. What is the fine? Now, for first 5 days, you have paid already 2 50 paisa. Therefore, I can write here fine is equal to 0.5 into 5 because for first 5 days, we have already paid 50 paisa per day. Plus, what are the remaining days? Remaining days is 7 minus 5. It is 2 days. Why it is 7? Because the number of days are 7. Hence, I could write over here days minus 5 into 1. Hence, I can write here days minus 5 into 1. Days is 7. 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 days are remaining. For those 2 days, 1 rupee per day. Now, it is 2.5 plus 2 is 4.5 rupee as the fine. And I can write here printf percentage f slash n comma fine, which is 4 rupee 50 paisa. Now let's say the number of days to return the book late is between 11 and 30. Let's take it as 13 days as an example. Now 13 less than or equal to 5, no, go to second condition. 13 less than or equal to 10, no, go to next condition. Now it is between 11 and 30. Therefore I say days less than or equal to 30. What is the fine? For first 5 days 2.5 rupees, for next 5 days 1 rupee, and the remaining days are days minus 10. Therefore, we say here fine is equal to for first 5 days 0.5 into 5, for next 5 days 1 into 5. Now we have paid it for 10 rupees. Remaining days are days minus 10. Days minus 10. And what is the fine? 5 rupees per day. Right. Now if you take 13, 2.5 plus 5 is 7.5. 13 minus 10 is 3. 3 into 5 is 15 plus 7.5 is 22.5. And here we display the fine. Printf percentage f comma fine. Okay. Now let's say the number of days to return the book is 31. 31 less than or equal to 5, no. 31 less than or equal to 10, no. 31 less than or equal to 30, no. Hence, I need to write here else printf membership is cancelled. I write here membership is cancelled, and we stop the program here. This is how we write this program. Thank you friends for watching this video. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel and share the channel with your friends. Thank you. Have a great day.